Breaking Shakuntala Devi's record, 20-year-old Neelakanta Bhanuprakash has emerged as the world's fastest human calculator after winning first ever gold for India in Mental Calculation World Championship at Mind Sports Olympiad. Hailing from Hyderabad, Neelakanta, pursuing mathematics honours at St. Stephen's College in New Delhi, beat 29 competitors up to 57 years of age from 13 countries to emerge as the winner in the Mental Calculation World Championship held in London on August 15. Known as Bhanu, the maths prodigy said he holds 4 records for being the fastest human calculator in the world, having eclipsed records which were once held by highly acclaimed mathematicians.
I am Neelakanta Bhanuprakash, and I hold 4 world records and 50 Limca records for being the fastest human calculator in the world. What that means is that my brain calculates quicker than the speed of a calculator. Breaking these records, which were once held by math maestros like Scott Flansburgh and Shakuntala Devi, is a matter of national pride. In the last 15 years of my journey, I've won multiple national championships, multiple international championships, and have represented India in mental calculation World Cups across the world. Having done events and stage shows across 23 countries, I would say that I have done my bit to talk about and place India on the global level of mathematics. Very recently, on the August 15th, coincidentally being the Independence Day of the country, I took part and I represented India in the Mind Sports Olympics, which is held in London, and in specific, the Mental Calculation World Championship. While a lot of you might be thinking, what is this? Mental Calculation World Championship in the Mind Sports Olympics is like any other Olympic task. Like the Olympics, which is going to happen next year, which was supposed to happen this year, this is a celebration of mathematical talent across the world. And I, Neelakanta Bhanuprakash, from India, from Hyderabad, have won the gold medal which no Indian or a non-European has ever in the last 25 years.
Talking about his future plans, Bhanu said that he wanted to eradicate maths phobia prevalent among students, mainly in the rural and underprivileged communities.
Math is not just a science. Math is an art. I'll tell you why math is an art. Math is an art because not only it requires you to understand the problem, but also requires you to be creative in it. Your solutions are creative. The problems are creative. The way you use your brain around to solve an arithmetic problem is the beauty of it. And this art form has to be projected across schools. And I've been doing it with Exploring Infinities. Math as an art. Math as something which people have to know, understand, and empathize with. Because at the end of the day, we have artists and mathematicians, and we think alike. So these 3 projects is what I would see. Let's make India great again in mathematics. And this time, let's get more Olympic golds, and let's make this the talk of the country.
Bhanu Prakash's father, Srinivas Jonurgatta, who owns a small food manufacturing enterprise, said that his son has become the pride of India and has the vision to eradicate maths phobia.
We are very happy because all these years, since 15 years, he is putting a lot of efforts apart from his regular education. We were literally with him throughout this achievement, and today he reached a stage where the entire country is proud of his achievement, and winning a gold medal in the Olympics in the mental sport, that is in the mathematics, is something, it's a really great achievement for him, and as a parent we are also very happy.
For India TV Digital, Rashi Hardahas report.